to like vlog what we're doing.
We're just going. And the mic.
Yeah, I know. We'll see what happens. All right. Going back is not the hard part, but you gotta dodge more rocks that are in the road and more potholes. It's not very fun. That was awkward. I wish there was more people to ride up here with. Right now I only have my cousin. My other cousin, he has a sport bike, but he doesn't have a dirt bike. I'm trying to convince him to get a dirt bike, but I don't think that's gonna work. He wants another sport bike. Hopefully my storage isn't so bad. I can video all of this. This is kind of cool. Never done anything like this before, so it's a little awkward. I'm on a 2007 CRF 70. I forget what his is. Some kind of Yamaha. I think it's a 80cc. It's a little bit faster than mine, but you know, I keep up pretty well with him, so don't really have a huge problem with that. This is where we gotta be respectful. Slow down. Yeah, this view is absolutely insane. I wish I owned this area. We have a little cabin down the hill from here, but I would love to own this farm. Oh, there's some cats, kittens. There was a dog earlier. That view, again, is absolutely insane. If the cows were out, it would be even better for the video. They're really cute. Yeah, this is a privilege, man. Being able to ride up here and not have anybody complain. What the hell are you doing? Okay. What?
I just let the fuck out of my first gear. I accidentally clicked down twice.
Is this still going?
Yeah.
I caught that on camera.
Dude, I was gonna do that.
That's weird.
Let's see if it's fucked or not.
Alright. This hill. Down there is where our cabin is at. Say hi.
I don't even have my helmet on.
Where's your helmet, man?
That's some wicked. I love the GoPro.
Yeah.
Best
You need a
GoPro.
dirt bike. Get off that freaking Jixer and get a dirt bike. Pit bikes are better. Nobody's down there. Yeah, that's the cabin. It's really fun down here. I wish I lived here, but gotta go back to Pittsburgh. Gonna turn around here. Oh shit! Huh? Oh, alright, let's go back then. Ow, that hurt. Yeah, it's fun down here. Say hi to the camera. I'm videoing everybody. Dad, say hi to the camera.
Evil Knievel.
It smells hot on your leather coat.
Yeah, I'm going to.
I can smell it.
Will you turn my camera off?
When we were like 13,